Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable when given an equation. Today, we will be focusing on the problem x divided by 3 minus 1 equals 2. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to find the value of x. So let's dive in and start solving this equation together. Step 1. To solve the equation x divided by 3 minus 1 equals 2, the first thing we want to do is get rid of the minus 1 that is subtracted from x divided by 3. In order to do this, we need to isolate the term with the variable x on one side of the equation. To achieve this, we can add 1 to both sides of the equation. Why do we add 1 to both sides? Because adding 1 will cancel out the minus 1 on the left side, leaving us with just x divided by 3. However, we must always maintain the balance of the equation, so if we add 1 to the left side, we must also add 1 to the right side. So here is what the equation looks like after we perform this step. X divided by 3 minus 1 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1. Since minus 1 and plus 1 cancel each other out, the left side of the equation simplifies to x divided by 3. Now the equation reads x divided by 3 equals 3. Step 2. Now that we have simplified the equation to x divided by 3 equals 3, our next task is to isolate the variable x completely. To do this, we need to get rid of the division by 3 that is attached to x. To eliminate the division by 3, we can multiply both sides of the equation by 3. Why do we do this? Multiplying by 3 will cancel out the division by 3 on the left side, leaving us with just x. However, similar to the previous step, we must ensure the equation remains balanced. So if we multiply the left side by 3, we must also multiply the right side by 3. Here is what the equation looks like after we do this. X divided by 3 multiplied by 3 equals 3 multiplied by 3. On the left side, dividing by 3 and then multiplying by 3 cancel each other out, leaving us with just x. Therefore, the right side simplifies to 3 multiplied by 3, which equals 9. Now the equation reads x equals 9. This step is the final step. Therefore, the value of x that solves the equation is 9. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.